Okay, let's continue our lesson. But the trouble is our part one as a copyright claim, and so I filed a dispute, and now it's under review by the YouTube management, so I cannot publish it yet. But anyway, let's continue to our part two. Okay, so now we're on bridge one after the chorus. Okay, so a chorus. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for. Now our now D minor seven. You, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. But in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the chance. Now ad lib. Okay, let's go back first to bridge one. The chorus are from bridge one, D minor seven, E, C slash E, F, and then F9, again D minor 7, C slash E, F, and then G, A minor, and finally G slash B. Okay, so D minor, I wonder how our bass for C slash A on the I wonder how we can survive F. This romance F9. But in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take a chance. A minor, and then ad lib. The ad lib is almost the same as the intro, but it's a little bit lower. So the ad lib is the course of ad lib course C, G, A minor, F, and then G. It's played twice, so there's part one and part two. Okay, so let's go to the part one of the ad lib. So for C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So for C, ad lib, form a C chord, and then 3, fifth string, fourth string, second string, and then third string twice, and then fourth string, third, second fret, open. So that's our fourth C. Fifth, fourth, second, third, fourth string on the third, fourth string on the second, and fourth string open. So, and then for G, 6, 5, 4, one more 4, and then 2, second fret on the fourth string, third fret on the fourth string of, and then back to second fret of fourth string. Okay, so this is our G. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 7. 1, 6, sixth string, fifth string, fourth string open, fourth string open, So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then for A minor, F and G, all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So A minor, F, and then fifth string, fourth string, and then fifth string on the third fret, twice, open on the fourth string, and then second on the first string, open on the first string, on the first string, open, and then third on the fifth string twice, and then second fret on the fifth string, and then open. So sounds like this. And then C, back to C. The second part is the same as the second part of intro. Okay? So the first part of intro is different from the first part of the ad-lib. But the second part of intro is the same as the second part of ad-lib. So this is the second part. And then A minor for bridge two. Oh, can you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Now go back to the chorus. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for. The outro is the same as the intro. Waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh, my heart breaks. Be right here waiting for you. Okay. For the bridge too, after the ad lib, anyway, the ad lib we have already taken that the second part, so that's okay. Just remember the second part of ad lib and the second part of intro is the same. Now after the ad lib is oh can't you see minor. Oh can you see it baby D minor 7 A minor and then go G minor 7 again. Crazy again. That's the intro. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Intro. Waiting for you. Okay. That's it, guys. Very easy. Anyway, one more thing. The the chorus can be played just like the ad lib. It's the same. The chorus is the same as the ad lib. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever you say, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Or you can simply strum it. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Or anyway, the strumming pattern, if you want to strum it, is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. So seven. But for F, 4 beats only. Down, down, up, down. Waiting for 4 beats also for G. You back to or you can use the picking pattern that I used before. The bass, bass, and then third string, first and second string, third string, fourth string, first and second string, fourth string, and third string. So that's the pattern. So the chorus can be played by three guitars, or okay, or three different ways. Okay, that's it for our part two. Next lesson. Anyway, you can make a request. It's free. Just one click on the description box. On on the subscription box is all I need. Comments also will be appreciated. And please click on the like button, and also you can share it to other music lovers. Okay? Now our next lesson will be use the capo. I won't give up by Jason Mraz. Oh. Just like the most storm. I see that you've come so far. Be right where you are. How old is your son? Okay, that's it, guys. We'll continue it next time. Mm, And once more. Mhm. Okay, subscribe. Important to subscribe. Our YouTube channel will not survive without subscription. Okay?